Hi my friends, welcome back to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. Guess what? I found another wig on Amazon. Today we are reviewing a wig from MegaLook hair. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Okay, this is cute. So on the box it says MegaLook, your hair, your glory. Let's go. So this is a 360 lace frontal wig, 16 inches long. So let's open this box. So comes in a little package. So this is the hair, of course. So okay, they give you 3 little hair scrunchies that have little bow ties on it. Oh, these are cute. And they do give you, oh, wait a minute, some MAC lashes.
You can never have enough eyelashes. Thank you.
So also in the box they have a little thank you card, and it has their contact information, which is awesome. And on the back of the card is a little incentive, so definitely want to look into that. So those were the only items that came in the box besides the hair. So other than that, let's get the hair out this bag. Ooh, you guys see my face, right? Okay, MegaLook hair. So the first thing is initial shed. So I'm combing my fingers through this and there is no hair coming out. Nothing in my hand. Nothing. There is no shedding. This hair has no shedding. There's another good kicker, but I'm not gonna say nothing. We're gonna wait. So the next criteria is true to length, and you already know I got my measuring tape. We are prepared, my friends. So this hair is supposed to be 16 inches, so I will set my measuring tape at the 17-inch mark. And you know the drill. I'm gonna measure it up from that clip, take it from the middle point of the hair. It is literally at 16. These waves stop at the 16 mark. This is where the 16 mark is. This is on point. So the next point is smell. This hair smells like brand new hair. It doesn't stink at all. Okay, looking good so far. Okay. MegaLook hair, where have you been all my life? Like, I think I found my new favorite. So the hair texture is soft. This is definitely body wave. These waves are popping 100%. It's very soft, smooth like butter. Like butter. I'm not gonna start singing. I won't do it. I'll spare you guys this time. Maybe not the next time, but I'll spare you this time, okay? Okay, so I wasn't gonna say anything earlier, but this hair is thick. Yes. I was trying to hold it in when I was doing my comb through to check for shedding, but this hair is definitely thick. It feels wonderful. I really like this hair. I'm really feeling it. No tangles, nothing. No shedding, nothing. This hair is great. Volume. This hair got lots of volume. Nice and thick. Tangle free. All that. All that. Okay? All that in a bag of chips. I know. Nobody says that anymore, right? But seriously, all that in the bag of chips. Look at this. I cannot wait to try on this hair. I cannot wait to rock this hair. Scratch that. So the hair ends are nice and silky. They're not dry at all. They did a good job maintaining this hair. Okay, so now let's talk about the 360 lace. So this is the front of the wig, and they did pre-pluck it. So it does have a hairline and a couple baby hairs, but I will definitely try it on so that you can see it better. And this is the back. I'll definitely go more into detail when I have the wig on. I will also tell you, looking at the lace, there is not any ear spaces for your ear, so you will have to cut out your ear space. So I will say it does have baby hair, but the hair that's hanging up front is actually kind of long, so you probably will need to definitely trim it shorter to create your own baby hair, which is not a problem, that's fine. But at least they have the hairline plucked. Honestly, with lace 360 or lace front wigs, you have to customize it to you. So even though some hair companies actually go ahead and do it for you, That's even better if you don't want it more customized, but it's completely up to you. But me, I usually just go with whatever the hair company gives because it's usually good. And this is looking like it's a good pluck. And also, long baby hairs are also nice. You just gotta know how to style it. So I'm going to go into more detail when I try it on. So we'll put a pause on that. So the other thing that I will say is that you can see the knots. So you'll definitely have to bleach the knots, which is fine. I don't mind doing that. And then you will also have to tint the lace. I mean, this lace color might be good for your skin tone. I don't think that this is a good color for me. So I don't mind bleaching the knots and tinting the lace. I actually enjoy manipulating wigs. So definitely going to try it on and see. But most likely, even if it does look good, most likely I will still bleach the knot and tint the lace. That's just me. I guess that's my way of christening the wig. Okay, so let's talk about the internal structure of the wig. Okay, so this is the front of the lace. And this is the back of the lace. They give you 4 wig clips. One in the middle of the head, left and right, and then one in the back. And of course it has the drawstrings, one on this side and this side. So the wig structure is like your typical wigs that you find online. However, I will say, here's the difference, okay? So some wigs will have like a belt loop for the straps. In MegaLook hair, what they've done is instead of the little straps that go right here on both sides, they actually have lace that goes all the way through. Okay, I see you. Be different. It's all lace right here. And then you can make it tighter. And that's the same on the other side. It's all lace. So the wig structure looks good. And I will say, this hair company's communication is excellent. Literally, from when I placed the order, they sent me an email. Thank you so much. And when it was shipped out and it said that US Postal Service had it, I got another email saying, hey, I see that your package is with US Postal Service. Follow up, you know, basically. So I definitely appreciate, you know, vendors who are easy to talk to. They'll reach out to you before you even reach out to them for anything. You know, I like that the vendor is good on communication. They will actually talk to you and they want you to have a good experience, and I love it. Honestly, I love that. I do. Okay, so I'm going to try on this wig. I'm super excited and I'm loving it so far. So I'm about to let you know if it's big head friendly. That is the question of the day. But other than that, let's try on this wig. Alright everyone, I have the wig on and I absolutely love it. So I will say that the wig is not big head friendly. It's a little bit small for me, but I can still work with it because I probably won't put my hair up in one. So this is the hairline.
So I placed the tan wig cap slightly behind my hairline so that it was easier to see the lace, and then to also compare how the knots look on the cap compared to my actual skin. What I noticed is if you were to use a tan wig cap like so, you would have to bleach the knots on this wig. However, if you don't wear a wig cap and the tint of the lace is close to your skin complexion, you don't have to bleach the knots because the wig will blend naturally with your skin, which is great. The hair on the lace is very flexible, so it's very easy to move the hair in whatever direction that you want to place it in. The final thing that I will reiterate is that there aren't any ear spaces on this wig. However, they do have these lines that are basically used as a margin to let you know where you need to cut out your ear so that you can create your own ear space according to your head shape. So this is the back of the lace, and it's honestly a straight line. The hairline in the back of this lace wig is very thick, so you will definitely be able to customize the back of this wig however you want. Quickly, just to double check the sizes. First, I'm going to measure the distance from the ear margin on the left side of the wig to the ear margin on the right side of the wig, and I did find that that distance is 13 inches apart.
I think it's also safe to say that this hair is true length, so it is definitely 16 inches. So the part is supposed to be your typical 4 inches. That's exactly 4 inches. Okay, overall, I think that this hair is super cute. There's a lot of great things going for this hair. Like, it does not shed, it doesn't smell, it doesn't tangle. Like, those are the 3 main points. Like, so overall, I will give this hair a 9 out of 10, losing 1 point because it is not big head friendly. Honestly, I will most likely never put this hair up in a ponytail. I will just, you know, wear it down. I like to wear my hair down. So I'll probably pull the lace up and have some hang time in the back, but I'm just letting you know that. Nobody else but you guys. I'm gonna let you know my secrets because we're right here, okay? You know, there are no secrets between us, okay? I'm not giving up this wig. This wig is staying with me. I will wear this wig with my hang time, thank you. It is too cute. So I will definitely bleach the knots and then follow up with tinting the lace and hit the door. I'm super excited for this hair. I will definitely follow up and let you guys know the details about this hair. Yes, I love this wig. Thank you, MegaLook. This is definitely a good product. So thank you all for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.